All right, this is the Tervis Darth Vader lightsaber style Versa lid water bottle. This is 38 ounces, I believe. And
Cool.
yeah, it's stickers. It's supposed to be dishwasher safe, so I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, so like this lid locks, which is cool. So like here's the lock. Well, that's unlocked, I guess. So when you throw this in your bag,
Yeah.
it doesn't pop open. You got like their sipping straw, and I think you have a pouring straw too. Yep. So here, there's a different attachment that you can put on here as well. Yep. So, looks like you just pop this out of there.
Does it work?
Does it work? Yeah, don't hold water. It's supposed to keep things cold for like a day. Yeah, it's
Lock
pretty
it?
cool,
You can
huh?
lock it?
Yep.
You can unlock it.
This is 3 inches around. So like this isn't like a lightsaber, holding a lightsaber. It's definitely like bigger in your hand than that, but
Yeah,
it looks
that's
like a
really
lightsaber,
cool.
which is pretty cool. Yeah. And
What's
then
that
this,
for?
so one of these is this is the chugging lid, and this is
Oh.
the sipping like straw. And then I guess you can pop these out,
Oh, okay.
but it looks like it's more involved than I want to get into at the moment. Oh, there you go. Just pops out like that. You can go in the base like this, I think. And work it in from the bottom or the top, you think?
I see it.
I think I got it. No, I don't. Maybe it goes in from the top. Yeah, pinch and push. There we go, like that. And then there's a little place where you kind of push this tab in there.
That's a nice lid for you.
And then to get it out, just pull it out. This one going from the top, squeeze, just like that, and then push, and then pull it out. Cool. Nifty.
Nice.
And there's a straw that goes in there too.
Oh, that can go in for the big one. Not in this one.
That's where it came.
Oh, is it? Okay. Oh, for the sucking, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so you take a draw from the bottom of the straw. Yeah.
Nice. That's nice.
That's pretty cool, huh?
That's a big thing.
Yeah. Let's see some of the details. So this looks like the power control, right? You got your exposed wiring. Got your little grips there.
Yes.
Pretty heavy too. Let's see how much this weighs. Let's see. So. Do ounces. So empty, it weighs 21.34 ounces or 0.6 kilograms, 60.5 grams. 1.33 pounds, so 1/3 pounds. Yeah, I'm glad we got this. This is really cool.
Yeah, it'll work out for you.
Yep, it's got a lid to carry with. It's like, look at that hinge, looks really strong. This strap looks really strong. So that's good. This will be good for taking to work. link in the description box.